We are the first landmass to kiss the Pacific Ocean. That is why we are directly exposed or strategically located to the path of tropical cyclones. So because of that, we have earned the moniker, or we had been dubbed as the land of the howling winds.
While Land of the Howling Winds may be an ominous warning to visitors, it is exactly this element that clearly defines the character of Catanduanes. Exposed to the harsh dialogues of the wind and sea, the people here have learned to remain undaunted in the face of challenges. They are extremely prayerful and ever resilient in the aftermath of nature's trials.
Unlike other provinces, we don't have evacuation centers after the onslaught of typhoons. We rely on ourselves to bring back our homes on their old state or in their normal state.
More importantly, they have mastered the art of transforming what raw nature has given them into crowd-drawing advantages. The majestic waves of Puraran and Baras is one perfect example.
Sa tingin ko, ang pinagmamalaki ng Puraran is our surfing site, which is known internationally. It's perfect barreling wave. Sinabi nga ng mga foreigners na majestic daw kasi yung pag nag-work kasi yung wave namin dito, perfect talaga. Depends on swell, especially when there is typhoon. It goes up to 10 to 15 feet.
Indeed, what the famous Cloud 9 is to Siargao, majestic is to Catanduanes. Listed as one of the top surfing destinations in the world, Puraran's majestic waves were discovered in the early 80s by Australian surfers.
Nagstay sila sa school. Sa school sa taas, sa public school sila nagstay at night time. Then nagsusurf sila at daytime. Then after nyan, bumalik sila dito, nakiusap sila kay lolo ko na magtayo sila ng isang cottage dito sa beach na sa front na to. Doon na nagsimula na every pabalik-balik na siya dito, pupunta na siya dito, grupo na sila.
The majestic waves are only for experienced surfers because they break on a reef that is actually a shallow ledge. Many say they are comparable in quality and power to the waves of Hawaii. Beyond its powdery white sand and pristine beach waters, the amazing view of cliffs, rock formations, and mountain coves puts visitors in quiet awe.
They enjoy the water. They said it's very quiet place. We also have some other place to visit aside from this beach. We bring them to the cave and to the waterfalls.
Balakay Cave is an underwater delight and is situated right beside the cliff where adventure tourists are dared to jump from. Snorkeling offers a first-hand glimpse of the colorful marine biodiversity visitors will definitely enjoy. Unsurprisingly, surfing competitions in October have beckoned local and foreign surfers to the shores of Baras.